Hey everybody, Pandi here. Well, hello. Hey, Pandi's peeps. Pandi coming through with my monthly Cocotique beauty box unboxing. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, you already know based on the thumbnail what this video gives. It is time for another Cocotique monthly beauty box unboxings. Okay, so for those of you who have been following me, you know what this is. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in and see what goodies we got for the month of November. And for those of you that are new, thank you so much for taking a moment out of your busy day to stop by my channel and pay me a visit. I appreciate that. If you enjoy the video and you like what you see, please don't forget to blow dry on my like button. And if you really enjoy the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. It doesn't cost you a thing. All right. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this month's unboxing. Those of you that know me and who have been rocking with your girl know Cocotique is a monthly beauty box or a monthly subscription box. I believe they've coined the phrase self-care in a box. And I have been a subscriber to the Cocotique monthly box since, I want to say, October of last year. So just hit my 1 year mark. It is $25 a month, which I believe is fairly nominal, very reasonable, very inexpensive. And they are one of the few beauty boxes that I've saw out there who actually cater to women of color and women who are naturalistas like myself. Now, for the most part, most of you all know that over here the channel is based on hair, both natural hair as well as wigs, which I really have a strong love of wigs. However, the channel is called Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More because I offer a wide variety of content over here. I don't just put myself in a box, if you will. I offer TV show reviews, movie reviews, product unboxings, hauls, recipes, general commentary. I cover trending topics. I offer health information because I am in the healthcare field as an essential worker, and I'm a former licensed cosmetologist and beauty salon owner. So I have a whole wealth of perspective to put up on this thing. Okay, so I just come through offering you all my perspective in my own way here on my little platform. So again, I want to thank you for taking a moment to hop in this video. And I encourage you and invite you to drop down in the comments below. I'm always eager to hear your feedback. And like I said, if you enjoy this type of commentary, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I also do game nights, usually on Sunday evenings at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you are a content creator, I also host a Drop the Link Day live stream. It is a group that I'm a member of, and my particular day is Fridays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's an opportunity for you to come and cross-support with other content creators who are trying to grow their platforms. We do it in accordance with YouTube policies and guidelines. There is no sub for sub. It is genuine, immediate results, genuine organic growth, genuine organic support. So definitely check me out. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to jump right into the purpose that we are all here for today, and that is the November 2020 Cocotique Beauty Box, baby. So let's get right into it. Now, every month, the CEO does enclose a little postcard with a very motivational message on it. I like to call it a love note. And then always on the back is an itemized list of the contents of the box along with the retail prices. And this is a blessing because you literally always get well over $25 worth of products. I usually get anywhere from $30 to $40 worth of stuff each month for $25. And women, let's face it, chances are we're going to spend more than $25 a month on ourselves as far as our personal self-care needs go. You know, shampoos, conditioners, facial washes, lotions, moisturizers, makeup, things of that sort. You usually end up spending more than $25. So each month, I love to go to my post office box and see what's going to be in the box for the month. Okay? So what I'm going to do first, guys, is I'm going to read the love note, and then we're going to jump right in to unboxing. So give me just a moment. I want to set this down, but I don't want to set it on the floor. I know some of y'all are probably like, what? Pandi don't got no wig on? Nah. And I'm actually proud of myself, guys. This is actually my third week with my hair out. And as y'all can see, the grays is really popping. Okay? But anywho, let's get right into this. Alright, so this month's product line, or featured product line I should say, is Design Essentials. And if you know anything about products and hair, Design Essentials ain't no punk in the hair industry, okay? They've been around for quite some time. In fact, when I had my salon, Design Essentials was the #1 relaxer line requested by most women. Their conditioners, their shampoos have always been top notch. So I'm excited because this is a new natural hair care line that they've launched. And this is their first time ever being featured in the Cocotique box. Now the beautiful thing about Cocotique is once you join and do the $25 a month subscription, they have a rewards program called the Coco Hearts. You can earn rewards multiple ways. One way is by doing your reviews. Very similar to what I'm doing and uploading them to your social media platforms. They also give you rewards for following them on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You also earn rewards for your birthday. I think I got about 300 rewards. And like I said, I've been with them for about a year now. And my very first time ever redeeming rewards was just last month because I wanted to see how it worked. And I video recorded it so that I could show my supporters here and encourage you even further to take a serious look at Cocotique. Because in this time where we're dealing with social distancing and not really being able to go out and shop and browse and peruse the way that we're used to, something like this that is sent to you at home each and every month for $25, it's kind of a lot of benefit to it, okay? Now, in addition to that, if you're still on the fence by the time this video is over, no need to fret. All you gotta do is drop down to the description box of this video. I do have a 10% discount code in the description box where you can get 10% off your first order. Something a little to give you a little incentive to seriously take a look at Cocotique. Alright? All right, so let me read the box, or I'm sorry, the postcard, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the November box. So, Design Essentials Takeover. Thankful, grateful, blessed. This month is all about giving thanks, and I want to thank all of you for supporting my little baby Cocotique. She's 7 years old this year. To continue our celebration of this milestone, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado collection. It's their first time in the box, so this is an extra special treat, and it's truly an honor to feature this highly coveted brand. This collection's super nourishing formulation is perfect for the fall and upcoming winter months. I'd love to hear from you, so please don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like the products on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I hope you enjoy the products as much as I do. Wishing you and your family a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Hugs and kisses, Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO. I always enjoy reading the love notes. Don't ask me why, but I feel like she takes her time and puts a personal spin to it, and lets you know you're not just a customer or a subscriber. She actually is taking pride in her company, and everything is always so well done. So much professionalism put into it. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I love these boxes. I usually repurpose them and use them for something else after I take the contents out because they're so pretty. Now, this first item I've already used. I used some last night, guys. This is the Design Essentials. Can y'all see that? Let me put it up there so y'all can see it. Detoxifying Tonic. It is eucalyptus and lemon with witch hazel and peppermint oil. Okay? It says the Detoxifying Tonic is a scalp/skin treatment that gently cleanses and detoxifies without water or shampooing. So this is like a dry shampoo. Like say you got your hair in twists or locks or braids, or you just got a dry fro like this, but you want to cleanse your scalp so your scalp ain't stinking and perspiring and itching. This is perfect for this. This can be left in or rinsed out. I kind of used it as a pre-poo because I know that it's been 3 weeks that my hair was in twists. Then I finally untwisted it. Now my twists have frizzed up, so I'm going to probably shampoo and condition my hair this week. So I'm excited about this box because I'm going to try everything in here. But I used it more so as a pre-poo. Okay, so I didn't rinse it out. But you can do either or. So that's the first item. The next item is their Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. It says it's for all curl types. Save up to 30 minutes of detangling time. Okay. Almond and avocado are both wonderful ingredients for your hair, by the way. Next item is their Almond and Avocado Moisturizing Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo for all curl types. You definitely want to go with the sulfate-free. I'm all tongue-tied tonight, guys. Sulfate-free shampoo, moisturizing and detangling. So you're not going to have all the suds and soapy lather like you would with a moisturizing shampoo. It's not designed to do that. It's more so designed to go in and cleanse and remove and purify the scalp and hair strands. It's not designed to go in and lather up. A lot of people, if you're not used to a sulfate-free shampoo, you're going to be like, why isn't this lathering up? It's not supposed to. It's designed to strictly go in and cleanse and kind of strip the hair of all its impurities, okay? So I love that. Next we got the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse for all curl types. Full size bottle. And last but certainly not least, we got the Almond and Avocado Moisture Primer Pre-Styling Whip. It is a prep for curly and coily hair. So it says it's an ultra rich, highly moisturizing, lightweight cream that utilizes the nourishing properties of almonds and avocados to coat and strengthen the strands before styling. Ideal for tightly curled and coiled strands. I think this definitely qualifies. So that definitely does. I opened this too last night. To smell it, y'all. So you got a nice full-size bottle. I do not want to spill it. Every time I try to show y'all, I spill it. But can you see? It's a nice whipped consistency. And that completes the November box. Now, Design Essential is not a cheap product, so let's just go through the prices. So for that curl enhancing mousse, that is a full size, 7.5 ounces. This retails for $15.99. So that's half your $25 right there. The pre-styling whip retails for $12.99. Okay. Your leave-in conditioner and your shampoo both retail at, well, one retails at $12.99, one retails at $11.99 for the full 12-ounce size. Now for the box, we're only getting the 4-ounce size, so these are more like a sample to introduce you to the line. And then for the Detoxifying Tonic, full 4 ounces, this is the regular size, it retails at $8.99. So as you can see, we got well over $25 worth of products, and like I said, those rewards, I think I got the Hawaiian Silky box last month. I used $20 worth of points and I paid $5 for the box. So yeah, if I enjoy this and say I want to go back and repurchase the November box, because the Hawaiian Silky box that I bought was from September of 2019, but I came on in October, so I missed it. And I wanted to try it, and I have not been able to find it in my local beauty supply stores. That stuff was great, y'all. I got some wonderful definition out of that. So there's a ton of options if you are interested in looking and trying different brands to kind of see what's going to work best for your natural hair. Definitely give Cocotique a try. I hope you guys have enjoyed my commentary and my unboxing. Once again, I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you again so much for joining me this evening. Until next time, y'all, stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.